Now, hi ladies and gentlemen, now let me show you real quick how to stop thread from breaking. Now, your thread always break because the tension on the upper thread, which is this right here, is too tight. You feel me? Because when the tension is too tight, then there is a problem. And at the same time, when the tension is too loose, there is a problem. But when the tension is too tight, then you can know why you station, because the fabric you station on is going to be wrinkled, and then the thread starts breaking off. So for the thread to stop breaking and at the same time to be free from fabric wrinkle, you have to loosen the tension disc a little bit because it is just too tight. You are? Now what I actually mean is that this is the regulating screw on the tension, on the upper thread tension. Now when this tension is too tight, your fabric is going to be wrinkled real quick, and then the thread breaks off, and that's gonna, yeah, you already know what I'm talking about. So for you to stop thread from breaking every time, from time to time, you have to, clockwise regulates this tension. Alright, so what I mean is that is for you to screw this counterclockwise so as the tension, the grip on the thread, or on the upper thread, should be friendly, not too tight. Because when it is too tight, that is when your thread starts to break up, and at the same time your fabric starts to wrinkle. So for you to overcome all of this problem is simply by counterclockwise screwing this hand screw right here, so that the grip of this disc right here on the thread is losing a little bit. So it should be not too loose or too tight. It should be moderate. It should be at the center point. You know what I'm saying? Equilibrium, not too tight, not too loose. So that is the reason why your thread always breaks off. So you have to loosen this a little bit so as the grip on the thread is friendly. Then you can start to sew, and your fabric will not be wrinkled, and then your work is gonna be neat and nice. So this is how we did this right here. So this is counterclockwise to loosen the tension, and this is clockwise to tighten the tension. So when it is too loose, it is not also good, because when it is too loose, at the same time your device is also going to be misbehave one way or the other. And when it is too tight, it is still not too good. So it should be in equilibrium. So you can always play with this hand screw right here to check and see if your fabric just stop to wrinkle and your thread just stop to break. So this is the cause. So you have to, don't play too much with this screw right here. So when your fabric stops to wrinkle and your thread stops breaking and looping, So that is when you know that you're good. Okay, so this is where to fix the problem with thread breakage. So with this being said, shown and done, I'm just gonna need you guys to subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be uploading more educational videos. Like, I'm gonna be showing you how to regulate this upper thread tension and the lower thread tension, which is the tension on the bobbin holder. You are okay. Now I'm gonna need you guys to stay up to date by subscribing to this channel and hitting the bell icon. So whenever I post an educational clip like this, y'all gonna be among the first to be notified and enjoy from the content. You are? Now thank you very much for your time, and I hope this clip was helpful and all that. You are? So with that being said, done, shown, I'm gonna need you guys to take good care of yourself, and peace.